Hello guys, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, believe me, today I'm going to show you how you can be able to back up all your photos to your Google account. Okay, so whenever you create your any Google account, you've been given 15 gigabyte cloud free storage where you can back up both your photos, your applications, almost everything. Yeah, you can back them up on your Google account. Alright, so for us to back our photos up, our videos and pictures, for us to back them up, then we need this application right here. Okay, yeah, so if you don't have it in your device, rush directly to Play Store. Yeah, go to your Play Store here and download this particular application for yourself. Okay, all right, so when you get the application, then go ahead and open it. All right, so you have the Google account on your phone, the one you want to back up the pictures and videos to. Alright, as you can see here, I have my video pictures that I backed up 3 years ago. I still have them in this device. Okay, both 1 year ago I have them, even 2 years ago. Alright, so I learned how to do this thing 3 years ago. Okay, so and you will need it. It will really help you if you learn how to do this. Alright, so make sure you watch this video to the very end so you learn how to do this for yourself. Okay, alright, once you open your Google Photos, so if you don't have it, rush to the Play Store and download it right for yourself, then click on this place. So once you open this application and you have Google account on your phone, definitely these Google Photos will open here using that particular Google account that you have on your phone. Alright, so this is my default Google account here. Alright, so let me click up there. As you can see, I have 15 gigabytes free storage. Yeah, here's the 15 gigabytes free storage, and out of that 15 gigabytes I've used 2.5 gig. Yeah, I've stored 2.5 gig of my photos and videos here. Alright, so and whenever you back your videos or pictures up, they will be shown here so that you can delete them. They will be shown that you've backed so amount of storage that you can free them up. So if I should delete this file that contains 385 MB, I will be released that this 385 MB will be released from my phone, and I will have those pictures and everything on my Google account. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can be able to back them up. Alright, click on this particular place that I told you to click on, that will pop you out in this option. Then click on your photo and settings. Photo settings. Then as you can see, the first option is backup and sync. Alright, so and that's what we want to do. Then go ahead and click on backup. Alright, so you can even buy gig if you've exhausted your 15 gig and you still need more storage, you can still buy it. As you can see, they're offering me 100 gig for 950 naira, equivalent to 1000 naira. It's just very chicken change, small money, right? So but before you back up anything, you have to know this. Click on this upload size, and this one as well, and this one. This is the 3 things that you need to do some settings on it before backing up any of your photos. Alright, so let's click on upload size. Then upload size, leave it at original. Alright, maybe yours might be here, this storage saver, this where my own was before. Then I change it to this original. Then change it to this original so that your image will be backed up with the quality that it was in the first place. Alright, so if you leave it, if you should leave it at storage saver, it will reduce the the video quality or the picture quality. At times it won't be clear. Okay, so put it at original quality. Alright, just tap at original quality and it will be selected. Alright, then the second option here is cell data usage. Put it at unlimited. As you can see mine, put it at unlimited, because if you should leave it at 30 MB, when it backs up any of your pictures or anything, pictures or videos, when it backs it up and it exhausts, it reached 30 MB, sorry, yeah, whenever it reaches 30 MB, it won't back up that day again, it will wait for the next day. Alright, but I would like to leave my own in unlimited so that once I drop any picture, it will back it up. Alright, So then the last option that you need to check before backing anything up is the folders that are being backed up. As you can see mine here, I have none folder, none of them have been backed up. Okay, so I got this device newly, and I'm backing all my pictures and videos up in my memory card and some in my hard drives. Alright, so all these ones here, I'm not backing any of them up yet on my Google account. I need to be saving something that has meaningful some things. Alright, so I don't need just random videos to be backed up there as usual. Alright, so just make sure before you back anyone up, maybe your documents, sorry for that, maybe all your documents that you need to back up, maybe they are in something like they are in this folder, this Adobe Express, or maybe they are in this intro pictures, or maybe they are in download or Facebook One. Those folders that you know that the work or the pictures that you need are very, very important and you don't want to lose them, just go ahead and tap activate. Go ahead and on any of them, anyone that you want to back up, go ahead and click on this button here and back it. Once it's on like this, then you know that that particular one will be backed up immediately you on your data. Alright, so I don't want anyone to be backed up because I'm backing them up already on my memory card and my hard drive. Okay, so these are the things that you need to know before backing anything up. And once you activate all these options, before you activate all these options, this one must be on. You must activate this backup and sync. Okay, so you must activate it first before you can be able to access all those options. As you can see, let me activate it again, then you see it will appear. So if your own is not appearing, that means that this your backup and sync has been deactivated, that you need to activate it again. This particular one, yeah, activate it, and these particular options will come out, and set it to automatic like mine is done automatically. Okay, yeah, set it to automatic. I will teach you how to set it to automatic in my next video. I'll be uploading it next after this one. Okay, so if you are seeing this video for the first time, check the next video. You'll see how to back it up automatically and how to back up your entire device up to your Google account. Okay, so if you like my video, if it's helpful, please kindly share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, I beg you, just subscribe, like and share. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment section, and you can even chat me directly on WhatsApp or any of my social media handle. Yeah, check it out in the description menu. Alright, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.